Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of our Festival Day series. Let's explore another beautiful festival and the joy it brings to every home. Question 1. Which city is famous for organizing a grand Diwali celebration at the banks of river Sarayu? A. Ayodhya, B. Varanasi, C. Ujjain or D. Haridwar? The correct option is A. Ayodhya. Question 2. What natural element is primarily worshipped on the festival of Dussehra in South India during Ayodhya Puja? A. Fire, B. Water, C. Earth, or D. Tools and weapons? The correct option is D. Tools and weapons. Question 3. Which goddess is worshipped for knowledge during Diwali celebrations in some Indian regions? A. Saraswati, B. Lakshmi, C. Kali or D. Parvati? The correct option is A. Saraswati. Question 4. In which Indian state is the festival of Diwali celebrated as Kali Puja? A. West Bengal, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra or D. Punjab? The correct option is A. West Bengal. Question 5. Which festival marks the end of Navratri and the beginning of new victories? A. Diwali, B. Holi, C. Dussehra or D. Raksha Bandhan? The correct option is C. Dussehra. Question 6. The lighting of lamps on Diwali represents what symbolic act? A. Ending wars, B. Welcoming wealth, C. Victory of light over darkness or D. Honoring ancestors? The correct option is C. Victory of light over darkness. Question 7. Which epic is associated with Dussehra celebrations? A. Mahabharata, B. Ramayana, C. Bhagavad Purana or D. Vedas? The correct option is B. Ramayana. Question 8. What is traditionally exchanged as gold among Maharashtrians on Dussehra? A. Marigold petals, B. Mango leaves, C. Apta leaves or D. Tulsi leaves? The correct option is C. Apta leaves. Question 9. Which animal is often seen leading the royal Mysore Dussehra procession? A. Tiger, B. Elephant, C. Horse or D. Bull? The correct option is B. Elephant. Question 10. Which sweet is especially associated with Diwali in North India? A. Rasgulla, B. Laddu, C. Kaju Katli or D. Jalebi? The correct option is C. Kaju Katli. Question 11. In Diwali rituals, which metal is considered most auspicious to buy? A. Silver, B. Iron, C. Copper or D. Platinum? The correct option is A. Silver. Question 12. Who killed the demon Mahishasura, symbolizing the victory celebrated on Vijayadashami? A. Durga, B. Parvati, C. Lakshmi or D. Kali? The correct option is A. Durga. Question 13. On which day of Diwali festival is Lakshmi Puja performed? A. First, B. Second, C. Third or D. Fifth? The correct option is C. Third. Question 14. The word Diwali comes from the Sanskrit word Dipavali, meaning what? A. Row of sweets. B. Row of lights. C. Celebration of gods. Or D. Festival of family. The correct option is B. Row of lights. Question 15. Who is Ravana's brother who joined Lord Rama in his fight against evil? A. Indrajit. B. Vibhishana. C. Kumbhakarna. Or D. Maricha. The correct option is B. Vibhishana. That's all for day 6. Hope you enjoyed today's celebration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festival vibes.